Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix account already exists in OneDrive app at 2026. So this error usually appears when you try to add Microsoft account that's already linked to OneDrive on your device. So at first I advise you to check the existing accounts. So to do that, you will need just open the OneDrive app and then just tap the profile icon that's located on the top left corner. And then check the accounts here. Okay, so make sure the accounts you're trying to add isn't already listed. Let's consider that I'm trying to add the same account that I'm using right now. It won't be added and I will face the problem of the account already exists. Okay, let's say that you want or you are trying to sign in with the same account that you are using right now. So if you want that, you can sign out first, then sign in again. Okay, or try adding the accounts again. If not, you will need to restart the app. So close the OneDrive completely just from the recent apps, go with recent apps, swipe it away and relaunch it. Okay, and right now try adding the account again. There is another solution, so you will need just to go with the settings, scroll down and tap on the apps option. And after that, go with manage apps and look for the OneDrive by using the search bar. Type the OneDrive right there and then go with storage, the first option. And right now, just go and tap on clear data, the option that's located on the bottom middle of your screen, and you will be between two options. So go with the second one, clear cache, and confirm with the blue button, OK. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.